Hello, good evening, everyone, and good morning to those in the US. How's it going? All right, let's uh, let's deal. So, starting with starting with US30. I'm gonna just mark out this potential. It's not yet sense of daily TF is not yet a resistance. I mean, a support level, but there's rejection around 34,991, 34,915 potential. I mean, it's going to be a potential support here. So 4 hours is the confirmed support. So we have to align our, our mark to be able to, digest this accordingly. So if you move over to 1 hour, you're going to see that this is a very, very defined range where prices are just printing beside each other. And if you head to 30 minutes, you see, I would say we have missed the first trade already. I started the stream early just for this, but unfortunately, the time was just, rushing to where I don't know. So, having a good look at this rejection over here, rejection across here, this actually turned this area into a support zone. The moment this price came, there is confirmed support zone formed here. So the moment this support zone formed, what we're actually supposed to do was to wait for price to drive down a little bit. Then we get into position the moment this price candle reverts. And by now we would have been in 30 pips, 36 pips profit. And then of course with initial target as somewhere around 46 pips and extended target as somewhere around maybe to make sure that we are on safe side somewhere around 72 pips with the aim of filling this particular week. Yeah. So, but then price has left us behind. We have to patiently wait for another position. Unfortunately, we're going to be online for approximately 1 hour or 2 hours. If we're able to get any position, fine. If we're not able to get position, just leave it. Positions are going to come. Okay. So I'm just gonna mark out this line clearly so that we know that we have some sort of target here. Okay, moving over to gold. Gold seems everyone is interested kind of in gold. So let's proceed with gold analysis. So for gold, I see in the morning when I was streaming, I gave out a trade. If you have not seen my stream in the morning, go to YouTube and look at it. I called a trade somewhere around here, yeah, and I gave the TP as 1970, and TP has been hit just 30 minutes ago. TP got hit 30 minutes ago, which is actually a good thing, yeah. So that was a nice trade in the morning, and unfortunately we missed a very nice trade this evening already. First of all, there are two opportunities here that we would have got. First of all, we have an opportunity around here and an opportunity around here. We missed the opportunities entirely, which is absolutely okay because other opportunities are gonna come. Yeah. So let's break the price down and then proceed accordingly. Apologies, these lines here, I'm not gonna remove them. I'm not gonna add more. I'm not gonna remove them either. I'm just gonna mark out what we're looking for. Ignore the price, the lines. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna remove anything. What am I actually doing? Am I looking dots? Oh my god, what the hell am I doing? Oh my god, I messed up already. The hell is this, man? Dots. Did I for real lock you? Alright. Alright, is this locked? No. Yes, locked. Locked, locked, locked. I'm just gonna talk, give you guys the idea behind these lines on my screen, just in case if you wanna add it. It gives me some sort of guidance, it gives me some extra confirmation. Outside my strategy, it gives me extra confirmation. For instance, let me show you what happened in the morning. In the morning, when I streamed London session, I saw the price actually tapped, by the way, I had one position left in the weekend, the position I called during New York session for price to move down. Unfortunately, price was flickering. I purposely left some part of the position open. I did not close it on purpose. When I woke up, I saw that the price went, moved up to 56, 60 pips and went down and went up. So at 1975, price actually tapped, formed some sort of support and pushed up. 1980 was not significant at that point, but it became significant later. But 1985 actually formed price at 1985 price actually formed another resistance. So at 1985, between 1985 and 1980, there was some sort of fringe, and the moment this candle broke out of this candle, closed inside this area where eight other candles couldn't close, I knew the price was going to continue going down. For my, to confirm my suspicion, I would say, this candle closed again out, closer to the line and outside the line. The moment this particular candle closed, I determined that I'm gonna, kind of, sell. So I told the team to, sell somewhere here. I called a sell. I think was it in this candle? I think it was in this candle or this. Told them to sell it. I think here it was here. Yeah, it was here. So I told the team to sell above here, somewhere around here, and they sold. When price came up, we sold and then got out somewhere here. 40 pips at least. That's what we actually gathered in the trade. Yeah. So and I knew that this was still going to sell, it was still going to drop, and yeah, it actually dropped. So the moment price closed below this line, I knew that it was going to fall. And if I was online and this happened, price forming this resistance here and closing like this, and I would have gone in with like literally 20% of my account, because I knew that it was going to fall. Tapping this 9080, this psychological level at 9080, and still moving down, it means a lot, right? So that's just why I have the line. The line gives me guidance, it gives me some sort of extra confirmation where price is going to move here. Now, price has closed below 90 I'm waiting to see price form. Let me see how price is going to react to this area. I know this week requires filling. This week needs to be filled, yeah. But I don't. I mean, it's been long. I traded this kind of setup, so I'm no longer trading this kind of setup. I need to see a support and resistance formed, and the breakout of it is what I'm going to take. Unfortunately, in 30 minutes, this is not giving me what I want, but in 15 minutes, I think it's going to be there. If it's not even looking so good enough, it's not looking good enough. So the best thing to do for gold is to wait. Opportunities are gonna come. If it doesn't come, then we leave it and focus on something else. Yeah. So. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what price is doing, but I'm sure what I'm doing. So let's see how price is gonna react around here. I'm just gonna make it big enough so that I hope, yeah, this is actually a nice area. I just want price to do some magic around here and then close back and set up and drive it down. I want to see price get into this area, to retest this area. Then from this area, we'll find an entry around this area and then drive, ride the price down to perhaps 114 pips. Yeah. So we have my good friend here, GA. That is pound AUD, pound Australian dollars. Okay, pound Aussie, as you guys may call it, as our great grandfathers would call it. I don't call it that. I don't see the need to call it pound Aussie. It doesn't sound good to me. Yeah. Sounds so fakish. So fake. I know sometimes my network is actually messing up. I know. Apologies for that sometimes. I'm planning on getting Studio. Mac Studio. That's what I'm planning to get now. Once I get it, oh my god, you guys are gonna enjoy the view, every single thing about my streaming. Trust me, Mac Studio. Let's look at it. Mac Studio. Mac Studio. Mac Studio. Has a lot of features, trust me. This is what I'm going for now. want to go for the lowest cost. I mean, the one that costs the lowest, which is most likely this. Let me have a look at this. Okay. Oh my gosh. I knew when I saw this trade, I knew that we missed something. The moment I saw this, I knew that we missed something. This trade looks like it's going to just pump up until maybe somewhere around 80 pips. Oh my god. We're going to close the account and open another one. My god, this is moving so nicely, guys. Moving so nicely. If I had started or streaming early, I would have just taken this trade and done. Right here, I would have closed 50%, and then I'm gonna let the runners run to see if I'm gonna hit 78. And subsequently, definitely there's gonna be some sort of resistance forming here. Price is gonna form some sort of resistance and support here before pushing up to fill this week. But it's fine. I mean, it's okay to be straight, right? Man, are you kidding me? What the hell is wrong with my network? What's going on? Jeez, man, I can't believe this. I have network. Oh, you see my network speed. This is not believable, honestly. Network used to be the best. I have three networks, one main network and two backup networks. All of them are all messed up. I don't know why. Is it from my area? Ever since I moved to my new area, it's just bullying me. I don't believe this. Oh no, I want M1, guys. I want. If it's not M2, nothing. M2 or nothing. Absolutely nothing. M2 2023. Actually, this is nice. This is actually nice. It's absolutely nice. Trust me, it's very nice. I could actually go for this. Yeah, I could go for this. This is nice. Okay, let's have a look at this later. Guys, unfortunately, my network is very poor. Honestly, network is very poor. Very, very poor. So I expect magic to happen here, guys. Let's have a look at this. Magic is gonna happen here. Trust me when I say that. Once this guy closes above this week, I know there is some sort of resistance around here. I'm trusting this resistance to fuel. Excuse me. Apologies. I had to mute myself to take care of a couple of things. Apologies for that. So that's the plan. The plan for this guy is just to see if it closes above here. I may attempt, I may trigger a trade to see how it's gonna work out. See, so you guys, this was gonna come and fill this week, but it's not my style for today. It's absolutely not my style. Had it been I got in here, then I would have allowed it to fill this week, perhaps extend a little bit more to this zone to 963 before I close. But it's not possible, so I have to. Honestly, my network is very poor. I need to do something about my network. It's really beginning to kill me. Doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna have three networks and none of them are just okay. That messing me up completely. Absolutely bananas. Bananas. Oh, my network is very poor. I can see that already. It's very bad. Now it's becoming better. So absolutely nothing is happening in the market now. But we hope to get something out of market today. I foresee some potential moves. I foresee some potential moves. See, these are potential moves. How do I know that this is potential move? Having moved all the way down here, it's already at a support area. Price is already at support area. Yeah, so it was supposed to fill this, this very nice candle and the wick to the left hand side. But for some reasons, I don't know why that did not materialize. But let's see. I think whatever I wanted to happen is beginning to happen now. Better it's even going to be better if it closes above here. Then I'm going to enter the moment the candle flips to continue moving up. So nothing basically is happening now. Nothing is happening now. I'm just waiting for a very nice fantastic move. Honestly, I'm clueless right now. I just have to wait. No mistakes is allowed. Not at all. Now we have formed a support. I need us to form a new resistance. Either we follow this guy down again, back one more time. This time around, it's going to pull weight. It's going to move up to 168 pips. And like, New York stock market open, stock exchange open is going to come in with volume that could actually drive price up to 168 pips. So this is actually what I'm hoping to do today. Most likely we're going to focus on this guy. Gold and oh my goodness, gold and oh my goodness, gold and oh my goodness are going to be secondary. Oh my goodness, this is crazy, man. This is absolutely bananas. I was waiting for this guy to, close somewhere near or here, and then it's closing. Anyway, let's see how it's gonna react. We are waiting, right? We are in the waiting game. We must not take a trade, guys. Okay? We must not take a trade. So whatever we see, we go with that. Taking trade is not like it's not as if it's kind of compulsory, right? We're just gonna wait and see what actually is gonna happen. We are looking at three things at the same time. That's nice. That's beautiful. So something must drop, right? Something must come out of this stream, I'd say. Oh, if I had seen this, holy! First of all, seeing this alone is a blessing. First, I'm gonna allow this guy to come here above, somewhere near here. Once I've seen this, I'm gonna open one, set another trade here, then one more here, and let it ride, man. I was expecting this to happen even until 1970, but it's all good. It's all good. See, guys, the reason why I'm leaving this, see, so price eventually has crossed 1.90500. So if 9544, buy here, stop loss here, and then take your profit around here. 43 pips, clean, clean. I mean, clean. You don't need any headache for this, guys. If you are strong enough to understand markets, if you are sound in terms of analysis, you could actually follow this until here, you know, until somewhere around the 91 to 14. But then this is the downtrend, so you don't want to stay for that long. You just want to cut something and get out. This is the downtrend market, you know. Excuse me. This is a market that is trending down. You just, I think, most likely is either going to retest or maybe it's going all the way up. You don't know. This is crazy, guys. It's crazy. Very, very crazy. Don't know what's gonna happen next. So you just take your thing and run away, you know? Oh my god, this is really a beautiful trade I've taken, but it's not meeting my criteria, so no need to rush into that, yeah? Price closed above, came all the way to 9,500 and started ranging. After a long time of ranging, okay, thanks, Roger. After a long time of ranging, it's attempting to break to close above this particular psychological level. Guys, what does this tell us? Imagine you saw price doing this twice, pushing up, and you miss this trade. It's fine, absolutely fine. But the moment you see that it has closed below here and you are observing it to see if it could form a support, it formed a support, and then you're watching to see if it could form a resistance. It didn't form a resistance, say rather it crossed this line again, this psychological level line, and closed above. All you are waiting for now is your buy to make up for this, and you want to double this, right? This is what happened here. So buy and first target 50% close at 34 pips and another 50% closed at 85 pips. That's it, jump out. I mean, what the hell are you waiting for there? So psychological levels, I'm gonna do a lot with it. I'm gonna kill the market with it. I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. I think nobody's watching me, but I'm glad I'm speaking to myself. Eventually, people will start watching me. I know. By the time I start buying cars, by the time I start buying houses, a lot of people are going to start watching me. And then I'm going to become scarce and nobody's going to have access to me anymore. Trust me, that's the plan. Kidding. I'm so down to earth. Trust me. Everybody can test me, guys. Trust me when I say it, I mean it. So what if we had considered this the moment I called it? What if we've considered this? Now would have been in maybe 200 pips gain. But guess what? No regrets, guys. No regrets. If I had switched into 5 minutes to be able to digest this move, it would have been very beautiful. Coming down, then forming support again, closing below here. The moment it crosses here, just to sell and now 20 pips, we're done. We're out. We're done for the day. Completely done. 6 minutes to NYSE open. What's it going to be, guys? What do you think is going to happen? Basically, it's going to be a sales, or maybe price could spike all the way down to few this week and then it will continue up. You never can tell. I don't know what's going to happen, but I think it's going to be sales. I think imaginary sales. I'm selling already in my imagination. I'm beginning to sell. I'm like, oh my god, it's going to be a sale. So I know sell on time. Imaginary sales is happening already in my brain. The moment I see anything that triggers sell, voila, I'm gonna jump right in. I'm not gonna even think twice about it. See what I'm saying? If this guy comes and closes, yeah, I don't trade with 15 minutes, but in this case now, this same thing has happened before. Out and in. That is fake out. This is complete fake out. I mean, absolute shitty fake out. Yeah. So price again came up to that same level again. This level is a problem. Look at what price has been doing around here, guys. Look at what price has been doing around here. What do you think is going to happen next? Yeah. Again, price came here and it's trying to fake out again. See, the same level. Every time price comes here, it fakes out. Something happens, yeah. So if this fake out happens, I'm going to take a trade here. I'm going to take a trade. If this fake out happens, yeah. I hope someone is ready to take this money with me. That is if the fake out is confirmed. I'm not taking it unless I get confirmation somewhere. And another thing, another pair that gives you a whole lot of money and people neglect that is this guy. This guy gives a whole lot of money. Imagine from maybe if you get confirmation now and get in somewhere here, 50 50 pips done and above here you have your money, 67 to 100 pips. Easy. So far so good. Gold is not giving us anything. So oh my god, what the hell is this? right network. Yeah. What's happening to my network? Perhaps I need to reset my router after this stream. I need to reset my router, honestly, because this is giving me goose pimples. What network is doing now is giving me goose pimples. I don't even know what is goose pimples, but I use it. I love using it. So this morning, the moment I saw this setup, I know that the bearish momentum is gone. Is gone. Basically, what I'm expecting is for price to do this. I've been expecting this since morning, honestly. But what I cannot do is to get into impulse entry because I just want to trade these days with confirmation. I want to minimize the losses. I make money in forex, a lot of money, guys. I'm not lying. I make a lot of money in forex, and I lose it. I don't know why. So now it's time to tackle the why. The why I have found it. Now I'm taking care of the why. Okay. If you want to take care of the why with me, here we go. I got you. I got you. Trust me. I make a whole ton of money. Oh, I love this. 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 This is gonna be fun, guys. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Come on, don't finish the entire move, bro. Leave something for us, man. We are brothers. Come on. Why is this happening, man? Why are you behaving like you want to spank me? Are you a spanker? 100. Yeah, I think I'm okay with 100 pips. I hope my platform is open. I'm good with just 100 pips. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm not greedy. I'm not a greedy baboon. Baboon, baboon, baboon. Okay. Let's see what you have in plan. All right, 19 seconds to go, guys. 90 seconds to go. Yes, I love what I see. Trust me. I love what I see. Trust me. Yeah, yeah. Okay, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Uh-oh. The hell, man. What the hell is happening? Okay, I will just sell below here. The moment price crosses that low, I'm just gonna sell the stop loss above here and take profit at this level here. The moment price crosses below there, I'm just gonna sell. Yeah. Don't forget, this is absolutely your responsibility to make sure that you use stop loss and take profits. I mean, stop loss basically. Take profit is optional. Yeah, it's optional. But if you like using take profit, it's entirely completely up to you. Allow price to play around and see. Let's see if just allow it to play around. Just gonna add a position right there. Let me see. It's 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm just gonna add one position around there. It's fine. Yeah, go up, hit my stop loss. I'm fine. I don't have issues. Go up, hit my stop loss. But guys, please wait. Don't take this trade with me unless it crosses below. Okay. Whatever I'm doing out of experience. Okay. It could go above. If it goes above, then you cancel the position. That's it. Done. 4 hours. Let's see. 4 hours. 4 hours. 4 hours. Yeah, I think I'm right. Or I may be wrong. I don't know. I may be right. I may be wrong. Just make sure you wait until we have broken below. If we don't break below here, please don't take any trade. Don't take any trade and allow me to call another trade, okay? This guy may go up, but I'm not interested in buys. I'm only interested in sells. Buys is a no-no for me, only sells. If it keeps going up, 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 up to the moon, it's okay. Let it go. 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 And this guy, okay, so this guy is also beautiful. While we wait for this US30 to have everything and think about our analysis and follow our analysis, let's see if this pound Aussie is going to come down a little bit, at least to this zone, and then we take a buy maximum to this area. Okay, so it's going to be maybe somewhere from here to here. This is our trade, but I need it to come down. If it doesn't come down, then I'm not interested. If my pound Aussie doesn't come down, I'm not interested. And for gold, gold is basically doing nothing now, so just leave it alone. This guy may be doing nothing, but he may still go down. But there's no like confirmation for me, so there's no need to meddle with gold. There's no need for that. I don't have the need to meddle with gold. I hope I'm audible. I hope I'm audible. Yes, I think I know I'm audible. Okay, 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 okay. This guy is persistent in the buys. That's beautiful. Persisting on the buys. If it crosses above here, then I will call this out. I'll call it off. Even the positions I've taken, if any, then I'm going to remove them. Okay, what's the next step? What is the next step? So what's going to happen next? It's going to push up. It's pushing up. It's pushing up. So I'm going to call it off, guys. I'm calling it off. I'm calling it off until I see another opportunity. Let's wait for another opportunity, okay? Let us wait for another opportunity. Okay, another opportunity. See, it's all waste of time after we're in. This is how we get rewarded. See, this guy does not want to come down. If he doesn't come down, please, there's no need to take this position. No need. I want this candle to come down to retest this zone. If it doesn't come down, then it's a trap. It wants to trap me in the markets. Gold, what's up? What's up, gold? What's up, gold? Has it working out for you, gold? Nothing. So let's have a look at this. I find it difficult to understand. Yeah, I know it's an uptrend. I know it is, but then this uptrend is already losing momentum completely. Like the momentum is completely dropped. Yeah. So what I don't know is why it's spiking up when it was still gonna sell. Why? Why is that happening? Why the sudden spike when you are still gonna sell? Why? Why? That's something I find difficult to understand. Yeah, quite all right. In looking at 1 hour, there's not been any closure. Like we still have our support level, which actually should be accompanied by some move upside, which is still correct. Yeah, but I don't see this zone as a zone that is easy to for price to penetrate. Just have a look. I don't see this zone as a zone that's easy, that's going to easily allow price close above here. I doubt it. I have doubts. So let's wait and see what price is going to do. I think it's time to switch into 5 minutes to have a view of what price is doing, so that we can do whatever nonsense is doing with it. It told you guys price cannot possibly penetrate easily into that zone and close. Before price penetrates here, it needs to make a there's going to be a lot of momentum pushing price all the way to somewhere maybe excuse me, somewhere 36,000, yeah, 35,500, somewhere here. It will be like very huge for the pushing price close to this place. Then easily price will start, retracing, retracing, and then come back here, form some sort of range. After forming a range, then it will go back. That's gonna take some days. It could start today. You never can tell. So let me see what 5 minutes is doing then. I don't like what I see in here. I don't like it honestly. It should have calmed down, but it's not coming down. I'm not a fan of this. I'm not a fan of this. I'm not a fan of this. God may give us something nice after all. God may give us something nice after all. Let's see how it's going to form resistance. Support here, and then after the support, let's see where price is going to go eventually. For me, this is downtrend. I'm interested in seeing price coming maybe somewhere here, forming another resistance here, lower low, lower high, and then I'm gonna jump in for price to keep coming down, just like I said initially. I want to see price come all the way to this zone, 1970. Then I'm gonna jump in for price to keep moving down. If you remember what I told you as well, price has crossed this level, this psychological level. It's only gonna go up. But even though price crosses psychological level, I'm not a fan of blind entries. I want to get a confirmation. I want this to come down. If it comes down here, then I'm going to switch into 5 minutes perhaps. Then I'm going to get a position around this zone between here and with stop loss here. So you can see my stop loss is very small, 17 pips. I don't want to risk more than 20 pips. So if it comes down somewhere around this, this support here, then I'm gonna, get in one position with stop loss here, take profits. First one, second one, somewhere around here. Second one. Mind you, don't exceed here. Don't hope for this because you may not see it today. Just an FYI. Like I have this conviction that price is not going to penetrate this area. The conviction has been there. So whatever it's doing now is strange to my ears. Strange. All right, let's leave this and see. So the price has rejected this area. Price has rejected near to 3,500 zone. Yeah. So let's see how it behaves after this rejection. Maybe if it forms some sort of resistance here, then I'm going to join price from here down, and of course we are meant to. This is a clean range around here, up to 60 pips. So with this 60 pips, I'm going to take my 50% and then allow price to come down all the way to maybe 170 or whatever, 170 pips. All right. It's not coming down, and gold is trying to form support. All right, everyone. All right. Before I change my bias to buy, I want to see price at least close above here. If it closes above here, then I'm anticipating the bullish momentum to reduce, then followed by retracement, and then price once it finds support, then I'm going to buy. Right now, my bias is pretty much very, very bearish. My bias is super bearish, unfortunately. But then we learn every day, right? Let's see what price is doing. Is it worth waiting for or not? Thirty minutes, 30 minutes. I think my network is pretty much giving everyone trouble, including myself. But I'm gonna be managing this network until I get something. Until I have a better network. Yeah, I'm gonna be managing the network. Unfortunately, I know I'm gonna be losing a lot of people, a lot of trust, but it's fine. It's okay. Just guys, be patient on this pair. I just want to see what price is doing here. Whatever price is doing here is going to determine what we're gonna whether we're going to make money today or not. Yeah. And by the way, I don't like what gold is doing. I just love it. Absolutely love it. Patient. I don't think not gold will give us anything today. By the way, it has given us something in the morning. I don't want to force it now. If I force it now, I may lose what I've gotten in the morning. So I don't want to force it. I just want to take it easy. What I made in the morning, I didn't see that coming. It came as a surprise. I was like, oh, let me just open a position, and I opened something that I'm not supposed to open. Like I used a lot size I wasn't supposed to use. Then when I closed the trade, I was like, oh my god, what the hell? Where is this money coming from? Imagine I had lost the trade, then I would have been like, oh my god, what kind of mistake is this? Yes. Uh this guy is doing what I wanted to do now. That is GBPAUD. He's doing exactly what I wanted to do. So it's just gonna. I just want it to come down here. Honestly, if it comes down here, of course with confirmation. If I get my confirmation, because most likely this guy may have gotten some momentum here. This is not a pair you play with. You don't play with this pair. This pair, regardless of 899 price doesn't come there. Don't expect any good uptrend. Any uptrend you go into GBP AUD is a waste of time, waste of resources, waste of money, waste of energy. Oh, 15 minutes. Oh my god, 15 minutes would have actually given me a nice cue. Guys, sometimes 15 minutes actually works. Sometimes, not all the time. Sometimes the crazy bullshit thing works. If I had seen this candle, if I had seen it, holy! I'd have just taking 20 pips from here and just go. Just vamos to 1.5 pips and just run off. I will rip it off. I will literally rip it off. So we have formed resistance in 5 minutes candle. Question: what next? Kingsley have no chicken idea what next is gonna happen. Yeah, absolutely no idea. No idea. No idea. No idea. No idea at all. I think my mouth is dry. I should get something and some ointment and romance my mouth. It's dry. I can feel it. I should get some. Oh, gold is doing what I want it to do, guys. We should go and find some resistance there. Yeah, so maybe somewhere here, and then push down here or there, whatever. But don't hope on that. It could have just blow. That is gold for you. Gold could just like boom start moving up. You'll be like, what the hell? Man, there was no plan for that. See, this guy has formed resistance here. You know what I'm waiting for? For this candle to close. If it closes, then I'm gonna take an attempt. I'm gonna attempt a sell. 37 pips, man. That's a lot of money, bro. Man, stop going down. Stop going down so that my stop loss will not be big. Oh my god, this thing never listens to me. You never listen to me, man. This guy never listen to me. I don't know how to handle this guy, honestly. He doesn't listen to me at all. The hell, man. Stop moving like that, man. The hell is wrong with you? This this guy doesn't want to come down. Honestly, I'm not interested. But to some people, it's a queue. For me, it's not a queue. See, not good enough. Not good enough. It closed without a week. It's not my thing. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Not my thing. Not my thing. Candle without a week. Not my thing. Trust me. Not my thing at all. It's very deceitful when I say that. Trust me. I've seen a lot of things in this market. So I don't see a lot of things in this market. So when I say it's not a good idea, trust me, please. Leave it alone. US30 is trying to trap us in the markets, but it's not going to succeed because we are wiser than yesterday today. Yeah, maybe this guy closed with reasonable week, maybe somewhere between here and here. Then I would have just opened one position here with stop loss above here. I'm not going to go above here. But if I had opened the position here, now my stop loss would have been hit. See? So it closed below as expected, but unfortunately without a week. The only solution for this now, the only solution for this garbage is sell only below 51 pips, 32 pips. It's not making any sense, right, guys? It doesn't make any sense. You're risking 32 pips for only 51 pips, but it's okay. What if you stretch it down and hope for price too? But then we don't hope in forex. We trade with all assurance, right? We don't hope in forex. We trade with complete assurance. This is the only way to do this. But let's see how it goes. If price comes all the way down, if this low gets broken, price comes all the way down, we close completely. We're not going to leave anything. Do not forget there is no open position, guys. Do not take any trade, please. Do not take any trade because if you go to 15 minutes, you're going to see price is trending up. Do not take any trade yet because this candle simply means that there is volume because there's no wick, so it means there is volume for upside to continue. Yeah, I think this may confuse people. Let me remove it. Let me only put it when it's absolutely necessary. When it's necessary, then I can remove it. If you look at this the way I look at it, price has formed resistance here, and if this guy closes above inside this range, then it has formed support as well. So the break above it is going to be our Q. Don't worry, guys. We're going to make money today. Don't worry. I have a feeling. I had these guts telling me, hey, bro, you're going to make a lot of money today. Not a lot, but money. You're going to make some money today. Not a lot. Oh my God, man. See why I like this pair? Regardless of what your analysis does, regardless of what you expect it to do, it's just going to do what it wants to do. It doesn't care. It doesn't give a fuck about anything. Just does what he wants to do, nothing else. That is one of my favorite pairs. Let me take a peep. I'm not gonna touch it, but I just want to take a peep. Let me take a peep at it and see what's happening there. Nas. One of my favorite pairs before. I love this pair so much.
Oh my god, this is beautiful. See, it's making some money here. It's raining dollars here. Still not up to 100, not up to 100. Then it's useless. You are raining shit, man. You're not raining nothing. You are not doing anything. You're basically wasting everybody's time. Like US30. Okay, guys, I hope you guys are set. Are you guys set? Is everyone set? Can I get some response on the group, on the comment section? If you are set, please mention something, say something. Is anyone set? Anyone? Is anyone set for what's coming now? Because once this closes, it's gonna tell us what's gonna happen next in the markets. If it closes, it's gonna tell us, hey, this is me, this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, it has closed. So what do you think is gonna happen, guys? I have absolutely no idea. Absolutely no idea. We wait. That's why we're waiting. Yeah. I feel bad because I didn't look at 15 minutes. If I had looked at 15 minutes, I would be in this trade now, regardless of what anybody is saying. My plan would have been to add more positions. Once price come down here, I'll add more positions. That would have been my only one and ultimate plan. But unfortunately, I missed this. This is completely my setup. Completely. Risking 13 pips. Holy! This is almost 1 by 5, 1 by 6. For those of us who count people's money. You know why I don't usually show my profits now? I want to show my profits when nobody can count my money. Why? Because my wife has a business that she's running, and her staff is actually counting her money for her. Hey, you're not paying us well, you're not paying us well. You're making this much of money, you're not paying us well. Holy shit, man. Why would someone say that? Did you open the business with the person? You had an agreement with this person, and this person is paying you exactly what you have agreed. And you are saying she's not paying you well? Holy! Greedy guys, greedy people everywhere, greedy a-holes everywhere. Someone did your visa, employed you, gave you job, and agreed on a certain amount of money with you monthly, and that money comes every month with you, and this person gave you accommodation, everything, and then you are calculating this person's profit for this person. Oh my god. If you miss positions like this, guys, you have to chill the hell out. Chill out. Because what I see this is doing is it's coming here to trap some people. Some people are going to start buying. Eventually, it's just going to make one big swipe and fall down. Go to daily. This is bearish. Trend is bearish, right? Because you have high, lower high, you have this high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So the trend is bearish, yeah. So do not be perturbed. Just that I didn't see this coming. Actually, I didn't see that coming. This would have been a good opportunity for me. I love this space so much. I don't know why. Oh, guys, this is a buy, man. Guys, this is a buy. No longer a sell, okay? This is a buy. If you want to hear, if you want, stay there and be doubting Kingsley. This is a buy. Don't miss out, okay? This is a buy, guys. It's a buy. Don't miss out. Don't sleep on this, guys. Don't sleep on this. It's a buy. If you want to sit there and be, oh, he doesn't know what he's doing, it's not a buy. It's already buying. Before you know it, you hit TP and I will take TP and end the string. You still be doubting. It's a buy, no two ways about it. It's a buy. It's a buy. And I don't think I got in late. I got in at the right time. Yeah. Because looking at this, you don't know, it looks as if price was gonna, fall more. It looks as if price was gonna fall, yeah. So you don't know what was gonna happen here until you see this break, the break of this high. Why do I know it's a buy? One criteria, let me show everyone. I want everyone to understand every single thing I'm doing. This candle does not have any wick. That bullish candle, this bullish candle, showing us that the momentum is like it's the buyer bullish momentum is very high. And secondly, this bullish candle again does not have any wick, bottom wick, but it has top wick. Again, showing us that the momentum is still very, very high. Yeah. And then on top of that, this next candle formed, tried to pull back a little bit and then went all the way up to break this high. So what else are you waiting for, guys? Just buy, leave it. Just it's a process. Stick to the process. Stick to the process. Forget about every other thing. Believe only in the process. Forget about every other thing. Everything is a distraction. Every other thing is a distraction. So we are targeting 37 pips, risking 22 pips. It's okay. It's enough for one day. After all, we didn't know that we're going to even take any trade today, right? I think gold is set, but we need to see. Oh, I think we don't need to see anything in gold now. Oh, this it actually formed at a nice time, guys. Do you know about impulse entries? But I don't trust. I don't. I'm not really a good fan of impulse entries. I lose if I take that shit, man. I'm not going to take impulse entries. I'm going to wait for further confirmation. I want to see. Now we have support formed. I want to see resistance form. Then I'm going to take a trade. Do not forget my psychological level magic. Price, guys, please. If you are here, you need to go follow me. If you're online listening to me, you need to go follow me. Why? Because there's a lot we can accomplish together. We're going to achieve a lot of things together. Take your time to observe how price came all the way to 1970, crossed and still closed exactly at 1970. What does it tell you? That this area is a no-no. Is a no-no. You can't price cannot go above here without pushing down first. Yeah. So what it should tell you is that your next target, let's assume you take impulse entry sell here. Your next target is 50 pips. Take your 50 pips and go home. Just as simple as that. Take your 50 pips and go home. This life is actually very, very simple if you understand a couple of things you should know. All you need to do, hit this. Join me here. Let's take a ride together as friends. Yeah. I don't know. Is this move paining anybody here? The way as much as it's paining me. It's paining me because I was observing this move, waiting for something to happen. I was waiting for confirmation, man, but it never happened. It just started moving and never looked back. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is insane. This is sick. 40 pips now. I think I should close this because I may eventually make a very bad decision. I feel very bad. Was this the way I see this? You may see price here or see it anywhere. Let me just close this. I'm done. I'm done with this. Let's look focus on gold and its cohorts. So that's why I do it, guys. If I feel I'm gonna make a mistake, I carry shots. I carry I carry shots. Alright, see why I didn't want to take impulse entry? This is the reason. So again, assuming this guy eventually closes above, if he closes above, it means it's on a journey, on a mission to fill this week and subsequently touch 1975. So I'm gonna buy. That is if I see this guy, this 15 minutes candle close into this area. That is if it doesn't even blow above it. Come on, man. Why are you wasting time? We know the outcome of this game. Either go up or you go down. Do something. Don't wait there. Don't waste our time. Shit, man. This is a very tall candle, bro. Holy shit, man. That's 104 pips right there. In 1 hour. In 30 minutes, actually, not 1 hour.
Holy guys, what is your started planning to do, man? I think this guy is planning to hit to actually get to 3586, 350.86. I think that's gonna be the plan for this guy. Oh my god, this is a lot. It has broken above the previous 4 hours, so it's already a buy. Like there's nothing. You don't have any hindrance here. I don't see any hindrance here. The only hindrance I see here is myself. The only hindrance I see here is myself if I don't maximize this opportunity. Trust me. So what was broken here? Price closed above 35,000. See? Closed above and is rejecting 35 35,000. So which means it's most likely price most likely is going to break above here, hit our TP and continue going up. That's the only thing I see, guys. That's the only thing I see right here. But I'm going to stick to my TP anyway. The fact that I'm saying it doesn't mean I'm going to do it. Yeah. So guys, I don't have that kind of heart. I will say, I will say a lot of things, but do I have the heart to do it? Guys, I'm not wicked. I'm not going to do it. Okay, let's do something. Guys, let's do something. I don't see any this resistance and support formed here. Yeah. So let's do something. I want us to try something. This is very tall. I don't think the next other candle will just come and flash down. It may go all the way up to 1979, 1980 before coming down again. So it makes sense if we try a buy with very, very small risk. Do not forget what happened in the morning. We tried out a buy with a very small risk and it worked out. Yeah. So instead of missing out completely, try out with a very, very small risk. Oh, our TP hit, guys. Our TP got hit already. That's beautiful. But I'm not closing now. I'm just going to close. I can't even. Why am I not able to close my trades? Are you kidding me right now? Magic keys, yalla. It's time to work now. Okay, close half. Good. Hey, half closed. My magic keys, I used it to close half of my position just now. I was using mouse, it wasn't working. Magic keys did the magic for me, guys. Look at my YouTube and go get your link. In fact, let me close full position here. Done. Position closed. Congrats to anyone that took the trade, guys. Congrats to you. You risked 22 pips and you gained 37 pips. That's money. Yeah, that's money. If you didn't get that money, my dear, not my fault. Okay. Okay. If you didn't get that money, brother, sister, not my fault. This is actually the way to trade. Just get in and get out. Easy, right, guys? That was easy. I was talking shit and talking. I actually made 48 pips actually. I made 48 pips actually. That's nice. And guess what, guys? We are just getting started. Just in case you've not seen, you don't understand how price moves. We're just getting started because why? Anyway, let me not give you that confirmation. I don't want to confuse you now. But if price closes above this, if this 15 minutes, we go with 30 minutes. If 30 minutes closes above 35,000, it simply means that most likely we're going to see this today 35, 350, 75. Guys, again, take a crucial look at how this is also a psychological level. Are you taking note of these guys? Take a note of how this level 350.75 is also a psychological level. I mean, this is not magic, guys. You have to study this to understand how it works. I came to understand the impact of psychological level and I'm maximizing that. I'm maximizing that. Is this a psychological level? Apologies, I don't think it is. Sorry, I was thinking this is good. Sorry, it's not psychological level, but it is a psychological level indirectly. So I'm expecting this to push all the way up. But let's go. Let's stick to whatever profit we've made today. So let's take look at why we made this profit today. Okay. So price was coming down. Yeah. And this guy closed without wick, and suddenly buyers took over. Buyers took over and caused this candle that opened at NYSE not to have wick. Yeah, it closed above, and this candle actually closed almost above where all these candles couldn't close. All these candles they couldn't close there. Yeah, more than how many candles? Let's find out how many candles because we need to be specific sometimes. Close where up to 48 candles couldn't close. Yeah, so it closed there. I already know that the bullish momentum is very high because there's no bottom wick. And when this young man formed, it attempted to close into this area but failed because I assumed the psychological level was pushing it down. Yeah. So I was waiting honestly for resistance to form and the resistance formed. And then I was waiting for support. Support formed right here. Resistance formed here first, and then price came down here and closed bullish, bearish, bearish, and then the next one closed bullish. That is to say, support has formed. Yeah. So what next are we expecting? What next we're expecting is for price to continue moving up or even break the support and keep going down. So I was anticipating to sell here, but the moment I discovered that price attempted to move down but created a wick, got rejected, it started moving up, it broke above the previous candle's high, and I got in for a buy, and I was targeting the next, next closest area which I've marked out before, which is, let me show you, which is the top of this week. So automatically, I assumed that price was going to fail this week. So it went and filled the week, and I got out. You don't need to be there. You're not cooking biryani. You're not cooking rice. You're not cooking chicken with the price. Get out. You've made your money because why? The target was to fill this week. It has filled this week. So that's it. Done. I marked this line here because of this week, and that was my target. It filled the week. I'm done. Whatever happens here, I don't give a chicken hoot about it. I'm just going to come back tomorrow and make another money. That's the way it's done, guys. Nothing else. There's no magic. There's no magic. I mean, there's nothing special. For those of us that wondered if I took the trade, I just want to show you. Oh, you're not going to see it. Apologies. You can't see it because I'm sharing a specific window. You can't see my screen. So sorry. So, guys, it's a win. So, one good trade taken. One good trade taken. Goodbye. Trade taken with 48 pips profit and 22 pips SL. TP got hit on live stream. All right, thank you everyone. I like dropping the summary of my stream on the chat so that everyone that comes to look at the stream sometime in the future will always know what we have done for the day. So thank you everyone for joining. Those from TradingView, those from YouTube, I really appreciate your patronage. Have a nice day. See you guys tomorrow morning. By the way, I stream 2 times a day when I have the ability. In the morning, London Open, and in the evening, NYSE Open. New York Open is not my business. What I care about is NYSE, so I can squeeze US30, and London Open so that I can squeeze gold. So GBP AUD most likely I see trace with on it. Maybe anytime I don't feel like sleeping at night, I just log in to see, hey, what's happening. I don't look at gold at that time at night. in Dubai. That is Asian session. I don't look at gold. I don't look at US30. I specifically look at GBP AUD. So each session I have something I'm trading for each session. Gold for London Open and US30 for NYSE Open and GBP AUD for Asia session. Anytime I like, I just get in there and I take look around for opportunities and I maximize the opportunities that I get. Okay, that will be all from me today. See the way price is caution down now because why we have filled our sole aim of trimming today, which is hit this top of the week and we are done. We have a lovely morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on your time zone. Bye.